As it stands right now, I'm doing this tour on my own because we literally bought the last ticket, but I'm gonna ask if they'll let me take Peyton along. If not, I'm leaving him out here in the graveyard, I guess, or maybe he'll be sampling. The whole time I'm in, he'll be sampling. Sugar, milk, and cream. Before we go in and sample anything, do you know your favorite ice cream? Your Ben & Jerry's favorite?
I don't want Ben & Jerry's. I'm a pralines and cream guy, but I like...
He says that, he hardly ever gets that, but...
No, because I rarely find it.
Rarely find it. My favorite is Jimmy Fallon.
Oh.
Yeah, I love that Jimmy Fallon, Ben & Jerry's Jimmy Fallon.
Wow.
Love it.
Okay. I'm going to find my favorite in here.
Brownie batter, that looks good. Oh, you do like Chunky Monkey. Stephen Colbert. Fish food's good, but I usually don't like chocolate ice cream. Oh, listen. Oh, here's my guy. Here's my favorite. Yeah, that's a good one. No.
It didn't work much, but the lighting is better.
Yes, thank you.
Number one, half baked. So listen, you can have more than one favorite. We're gonna say that right now. You can have more than one favorite.
Yep.
In all things, more than one favorite's good. Guess what? They're letting him in. I got him in.
Production floor, and we'll talk about how ice cream is made. Then we'll finish up by going down to the flavor room where you get to try your very own sample of Ben & Jerry's ice cream. Before we head out, I do want to point out two things. The first thing is the tank room to my left. There are 6 tanks in there that hold base mix. Each of those tanks holds 5,500 gallons. We'll talk about base mix later in the process.
Ice cream. First, we're going to see a movie.
There you go.
To the movie theater.
Dated Burlington, Vermont gas station. After taking a $5 ice cream making course from Penn State and getting an A- on the open book final, tons of chunks, the chunkiest flavors that anybody'd ever seen, all because Ben had a poor sense of smell and heart.
We do still make some flavors here on site on small batches in the flavor lab. Our flavor guru Kim works on small batches of factory exclusive flavors, meaning it's only available in the scoop shop out front here. And one of the things she regularly makes is maple walnut. It's a secret menu item, so you'll have to ask about it if you're interested in trying it. One other fun thing she does is she makes tour exclusive flavors that are only available if you come on a tour, and I'm excited to tell you I have one of those flavors for you today. So if you could give me a mighty drum roll for our flavor of the day. We are having broccoli cheddar chunk. Featuring a broccoli puree, a Cabot cheddar cheese swirl, which if you've been to Cabot, you know is amazing, and kidney bean chunks for the protein and extra flavor. If you want to give me a drum roll for the real flavor of the day, we have a brand new 2023 flavor, butterscotch. This is a butterscotch ice cream with a butterscotch swirl and fudge covered pretzel pieces. This is a scoop shop exclusive, meaning that it's only available in our scoop shops, not just this one, but around the country, but it's not available in pints. Well, one thing to know about our scoop shops, we have a few hundred of them, is that we always have scoop shop exclusive flavors, so if you see one while you're traveling, stop in because they may, or they will likely have a flavor you've never tried before.
That raspberry cheesecake and that light caramel action should be
While
my
you guys are
favorites.
enjoying that, you may like to check
That's
out
like
the
a oatmeal
stuffed freezer
pie.
that's in the
I
back
like
of the
oatmeal
room.
pie.
I'm gonna steal 2 of yours.
Thank you. Sorry about that. No worries.
Thanks.
It would be complete without a good cow joke, so let me take this opportunity to ask if you know why the milking stool only has 3 legs instead of 4.
Yeah.
It's because the cow has the udder.
Nice.
And does anybody know why cows can't wear flip-flops? It's because they lactose. Oh.
The line is long, 30 minutes from this point. You just completed the tour. What do you think?
Well, we didn't wait for ice cream, but interesting tour.
Yep.
Got a nice little sample of some butterscotch, which you can't get anywhere yet.
And if you're an employee, how much ice cream? Free ice cream.
3 pints every shift. 3 pints.
Okay.
3 pints every shift. So 15 pints of ice cream a week.
15 pints of ice cream.
That would definitely require a gym membership.
And that would send you to the graveyard, which
Yeah.
guess what, we're going to the graveyard.
Oh yeah, gotta go see the graveyard before we get out of here.
The flavors that didn't make it.
The ones that didn't make it. And if you bring kids, there's some really a bunch of a playground up here. It's pretty cool for kids.
Hopefully they have that new flavor at the store. I want to try that that non-dairy, lightly caramel, whatever it was. I have to look for it now.
Yeah, I did like the butterscotch.
Oh my gosh, yeah,
It was
let
really
that
good.
happen. Get that out there.
Get that out there. Give the kids some ice cream, then let them come and play. Get all their energy out.
Why am I okay, even though I'm not a huge ice cream person, although I eat it every time it's available? I'm okay with leaving without buying any ice cream because I know I can find it in my store. I mean, it's everywhere. So many good flavors. I mean, I pretty much just don't like chocolate ice cream base, but as long as it has a lot of goop in it, I'm good to go.
Yeah, they do have scoop shops, around the country, and those actually have some flavors that you can't buy in the stores. So.
Yeah. But you won't miss it because there's so many flavors in the store.
So many flavors.
Anyway, till next time,
Hey,
seatbelts on.
seatbelts on.